Hi and welcome to American Printer TV. I'm Tamara Forlansky.
And I'm John Hamilton. Thanks for turning to us for the latest industry news.
It seems things are always changing in this industry, and today we'll tell you about some of the more recent developments.
Here's what's coming up on today's show.
Baldwin plans to acquire Nordson UV.
Ink prices are going up.
And a printer gets creative for the environment.
Baldwin Technology Company has announced plans to purchase Nordson UV, a subsidiary of Nordson Corporation. Adding UV capabilities to Baldwin's product portfolio will enable its customers to partner with a single source for both infrared drying and ultraviolet curing on offset and digital print lines. Nordson President and CEO Michael F. Hilton says, from a strategic perspective, Nordson does not currently have a long-term focus on the end market served by the Graphic Arts UV curing business. Nordson will retain its industrial UV curing product lines. Nordson UV Limited will be renamed Baldwin UV Limited and will do business under the Baldwin UV, Horizon, and Premac brand names. Other terms of the deal were not disclosed. The transaction is expected to close by June 30th.
HP has made its Electro Ink White available for the new top-of-the-line HP Indigo 7500 digital press. This follows the positive reception of the ink for commercial and packaging applications on the HP Indigo 5000 and 5500 models. Further extension to the HP Indigo 7000 is expected in the first half of 2011. HP Electro Ink White allows Indigo users to print full-color images using transparent, colored, and other substrates commonly used in point-of-purchase signage, greeting cards, and direct mail. HP has worked with its preferred media partners to develop colored papers and specialty substrates for use with the new white ink. Mohawk has launched multiple colors in its HP Indigo compatible iTone paper line for a full array of hues. For more information, visit the website below.
The Graphic Arts Show Company, or GASC, will host the Explore organization's Document University program at Graph Expo 2010 this October. Explore represents professionals engaged in the design, production, and distribution of variable data documents. GASC President Ralph Nappy says, every year, Graph Expo hosts tens of thousands of graphic communications professionals who are increasingly involved in or who are interested in expanding into digital and variable data printing. They are hungry for more education on the complex world of digital print production. For more information on Graph Expo 2010, visit www.graphexpo.com.
Ink prices are on the rise. Sun Chemical and Flint Ink are planning to implement a 6% increase for heatset and directory inks in North America on July 1st. Michael Pod, Heatset Ink Business Director for Flint Group North America, says Flint Group works very hard to shield customers from the impact of raw material trends, but the recent level of activity makes it impossible for us to absorb the effects completely. Sun Chemical Vice President Dennis Sweet adds, we will continue to work on controlling our own costs closely with our supply chain partners, improve our internal operations, and develop new value-oriented products and services that can help improve customer productivity and grow their business. The increasing cost of distillates, solvents, resin, and pigment raw materials are key factors contributing to the price increase. Prices will also jump for Sun Chemical press chemistry.
Hallmark is introducing its first line of postage-paid postcards. The postcards were developed with the U.S. Postal Service and are imprinted with the new Intelligent Mail barcode, allowing customers to buy them with prepaid postage. This is also referred to as alternative postage payment. Barcode sorters performing IMB scans during normal mail processing will track the number of postcards entering the mail stream to calculate Hallmark's total postage payment. The postcards come in packs of 8. There are 2 sets, each with 8 unique designs. The sets will be made available in 2,000 Hallmark Gold Crown stores across the country.
Point Imaging, a Hobart, Indiana-based printer specializing in retail graphics and point-of-purchase displays, is getting creative and helping the environment at the same time through messenger bags made from used banners. The bags keep hundreds of square feet of vinyl out of landfills. Much, but not all, of the materials Point Imaging prints on are recyclable or biodegradable. This creates an opportunity to develop unique ways to repurpose them. Many of its clients require environmentally friendly materials be used for all applications. That's why the printer now offers EcoLogic, a PVC-free banner material that delivers the same performance results as traditional vinyl banner. On the rigid signage side, Point Imaging offers BioBoard, a domestically produced board offering a sustainable alternative to PVC, styrene, and foam board. If you want to learn more, head over to pointimaging.com.
Ready to improve your print management skills? Ken Rizzo, Director of Technical and Lean Services for Printing Industries of America, believes effective manufacturing requires efficient, economical, and cost-effective managers. He says progressive print managers understand that manufacturing is a process. When it comes to problem solving, they don't let personal or personnel biases cloud their judgment. Rizzo adds that fundamental management methods and skill sets require print education. You can read his print management tips in the American Printer July issue feature, Get Up to Speed, in print or at americanprinter.com.
But you know, before you do that, why not take a look at this new tech tip from Ray Prince?
Keep in mind that on an extended delivery, we are evaporating all the water out of the system. There is naturally a fair bit of ammonia in a water-based coating, and the ammonia odor is very offensive to people. The ammonia is not added, it's a byproduct of making that water-based coating. So what we have here is an exhaust, and we would use this if we were having spray powder on the sheet as well. It's important that we have our airflow proper. In the extension, we will basically be putting on high impingement air with IR, trying to drive off all of the volatile or all of the water that is in that coating. Water-based coatings today are extremely popular because basically you do not have to use much spray powder at all. It comes out smooth. Yes, is it more expensive than varnish? Well, yes, it is. But frankly, you have instant drying virtually at press. We cut down on the set-off, and we have a smooth sheet as opposed to varnish, which has a rough sheet.
Thanks, Ray. And as always, we will have more news and information in the next episode of American Printer TV.
That is, of course, in 2 weeks. Until then, why not take a look at any episodes you may have missed in our archives?
And feel free to comment on this webcast right below this player.
See you next time.